Probably stopped playing. She's like, fuck this, I need him.
No, no.
Sure, I saw you rage quit, shut off your PC, man. You're an all man. He's not showing up. He said in a few.
That's right. I don't fucking care. I don't give a shit. It's whatever you want to do, man.
That pathetic shit's getting to you. You're a different person now.
Fuck you, you know?
Oh, I didn't hear the invite. I don't have any sounds, man.
Yeah.
Inviting in. How do you get the sounds to work?
That's not what I said. I already had it enabled, by the way.
There's no sounds.
You alright?
I'm high. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Like how you can't have every weekend.
I know.
Make your changes. Don't release once a month. Do your
Right.
updates once a month or something. But let people play.
I know. They gotta go back to full player lobbies, though. Like, when you know that you're going up against, like, bots, it's kind of weird.
Yeah, there was a lot of bots in that last playtest.